Who could possibly turn down the opportunity to have more money in their possession at the end of the month? Do you consider yourself to be the kind of person who feels that money will always be tight and that nothing worthwhile will come easy? Do you notice that you frequently use idioms like money is the source of all evil in your daily conversation? In today's video, you will discover helpful money hacks. These money hacks will come in handy for you when your finances are tight. Saving or making money can be a hassle as many people struggle with it. In today's video, I will walk you through the known yet secret hacks that you can apply to seek additional benefits from your deposits. Number 1. Difference between wants and needs. In today's culture, the words desire and need are frequently interchanged even though in reality they refer to two quite distinct concepts. What exactly is a need? A need is anything that you just cannot live without in order to continue existing, such as food, a roof over your head, or water to drink. These are the most fundamental requirements for human existence. On the contrary hand, what exactly are some of your wants? Things that we crave or seek but do not absolutely require in our lives are referred to be wants. For instance, if your current iPhone works just fine, you don't really need to update to the newest version just so you may have the newest model available. Ask yourself if something is a desire or necessity. If you find yourself considering making a purchase, you might be shocked by the answer. If you're someone like me who confuses between wants and needs, as well as you buy goods online without giving it much thought, there is a good chance that you came up with an excuse to rationalize the purchase by claiming that you need it when you are inclined to make a purchase the next time. Give yourself at least 3 days for the object to sit in your internet shopping basket. After 3 days, my bet is that you won't even desire the thing anymore. And if you're adamant about wanting it, be sure to factor it into your subsequent financial plan. How many of you confuses between the wants and needs? I think most of us. Let me know in the comments. Number 2. Write it up. If you don't know where your money is going, you won't be able to devise a budget that's reasonable for your situation. Put whatever you need for a week, such as food, coffee, amusement, and all of the minor things like going to pharmacists and dropping into Walmart on the weekends, in writing. This includes literally whatever you spend that money for. Number 3. Start shopping online. By conducting your daily online purchases, you may refrain from the temptation of piling on more stacks to your cart at the checkout, since you will truly adhere to both your grocery list as well as your budget, and you will know precisely how much cash you are spending prior to checking out. This is among the most effective strategies to cut your costs and save cash. Due to this, you will have enough time to complete your study and secure the best deal possible for your money. This is made possible by the fact that you will be able to save products in your digital basket during the week so that you will not have to rush via your buying after work. If you analyze the nutrition facts on a branded product to those listed on unbranded one, you might be startled to find that they include the same item. Number 4. Declutter. Pick one simple thing, like coffee or takeout, that you're going to make an effort to do without for a month and put the money you would have spent on it into your savings account instead. If you really cannot give up your double shot skim coffee every morning or your monthly takeout order, the next best thing you can do for your finances is to reduce the quantity of the order you place. If you put away $1 each day that you have to work, you will have around $20 more in your savings account each month to go towards your vehicle funds or whatever else you're saving for. It might not seem like much, but over the course of time, every dollar that is saved truly adds up to a significant amount. Bonus tip: check the details of your subscription to see whether or not they come with any perks or discount. Members of some banks, insurance program, automotive groups, and supermarkets are eligible for special discounts and perks at a variety of retail establishments, including supermarkets, for purchases ranging from groceries to discount movie tickets. Make use of these discounts exclusively for the kinds of purchase that you would have made. Otherwise, get the biggest possible savings. Number 5. Get rid of debts. Rather than putting money into saving if you are in debt, especially if the interest rate is high, it makes more sense to get rid of the interest payments first. This is due to the fact that paying down debts implies you won't be throwing away interest payment rates, as well as a smart option if your credit rating has just taken a knock. When avoiding a cost of this magnitude, the temptation to use those savings for a different purpose is understandable. Nevertheless, before you do so, you should carefully consider what additional payback will be worth over period. If you have a considerable amount of debt, there's a plethora of literature on financial planning that focuses on how to eliminate debt as quickly as possible. Number 6. Cut down your temptations. Everyone has different impulses that lead them to spend money. Are you aware of yours? It may be the sale rack of your favorite mall store or the dollar aisle at the Target. It could even be going hog mad at charity shop. If you're aware of that, you may incline to overpay in certain setting, or when you're with a particular group of people, you should make every effort to steer clear of or find a way to circumvent those temptations. These are times when it's simpler to just not go rather than having to repeatedly refuse something. Number 7. Make a food plan. The cost of food has been by far one of the most significant factors in destroying a budget. Each and every month, people waste hundreds of dollars more than they need to on food. Make a food plan for the upcoming week before it starts if you want to be successful at sticking to your monthly budget. Be sure to prepare straightforward meals, something you truly look forward to eating, so that you can avoid the temptation to stop and pick up something to eat on the way back from work. Number 8. Utilize cash pockets. Consider utilizing cash pocket as a tool to help you regain control of your monthly spending. If you discover that you are purchasing an excessive number of coffees or going over your budget each month, using cash envelope is the ideal method for learning how to live within a budget in order to achieve one's desired level of financial success. You won't just be able to keep your plan on a monthly basis if you use cash envelopes, but you'll also be amazed by the amount less money you end up spending overall. Number 9. Include a mini budgeting hack. This is perhaps my favorite way to save money and cut costs of all time. When you sit down to establish a budget, there would inevitably come a stage in your life at which you will be confronted with an unforeseen expense. At that very time, you will feel the need to toss the budget out of the door and say something along the lines of, "I'll start over next month." Rather, make it a priority to draft a simplified budget. A mini budget is a more concise schedule that covers the period of time between your current paycheck. It will assist you in regaining control of your financial situations and getting back on track so that you still have economical security this quarter. Number 10. Ask for increment. It may be nerve-wracking to approach your supervisor about a pay increase, but doing so can result in several positive outcomes for both you and your employer. You will come out ahead since you will be able to negotiate a higher salary without having to look for a new work. It is important to keep in mind that your employer will profit from an increase in your income, since it is typically more expensive and time-consuming for employer to hire and train new personnel than it would be to immediately increase your wage. Begin by conducting research on the salaries that other employees at your firm are receiving. If that is all feasible, then be ready to present evidence that merits a pay raise, like your decades of experience, current credential upgrades, and great result. Follow these secret hacks to save your money and build the money into liquefied assets. You might be seeking further tricks. To learn more amazing hacks from my channel, stick to the screen, as I will next come up with amazing tricks to let you know of how you can multiply your wealth. Thanks for watching today's video. If you liked it, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe for almost daily videos that could increase your pace of your wealth and success. Take care and see you soon.